everyone, welcome back to the 100 channel. My name is 100 Pony Gaming. Does that mean I'm Beast? Smith the Gem! Smith the Gem! Oh, we're in the frickin' abandoned prison. Beauty sent me a friend request.
Me too.
Hello, Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast. Okay, it's the 2B. Oh, hello. Ha 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 ha. Got you, SpongeBob. SpongeBob SquarePants is gone. No more child channels for you, SpongeBob. I know. I saw. SpongeBob, you're not gonna make any more kid channels about your freaking show called SpongeBob SquarePants. It's not actually. Oh, I found a computer. SpongeBob, I feel bad for you. You've been a bad person. You have been a bad person today. You have been bad person. Oh, wait. You have been. What am I thinking right now? Nothing? Oh. Ah! Okay. Oh. Hello, SpongeBob. You have the worst channel ever. Yes. Is that sure? Are you sure about that? Hello. Sorry, you're tied up. I knew you would win! Ah! I knew you would win! This is... Oh my goodness. Okay, I captured one person. That's all. That's all. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? That's your punishment. Punishment for today. Survivor. Uh-oh. Danya, you have no idea where I am. You have no idea where I am. Tell me. Yes. Okay. Survivor hates Novivor. Oh, hello, God. What?
Okay, so I'm gonna.
Fine. You do whatever you want. Just try. Try. Yeah. Press Q. Q. You're gonna get me when you're walking. Oh, I found a computer. Too much computers I found. Hello. Okay. I think God will help me.
I'm walking so fast, look at it!
No. 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 It is not me. Yes.
That is you.
No? No? Check the room! Check the room, you dumb animal! That's God! It's God! That's God! Look! It's... I saw you! You didn't saw me! I saw you! You didn't saw me! You just saw... That is God. You got God. Saving people. I found Nibble Joker. Hello, Nibble Joker. I'm gonna lock you in this room. Donald Trump does not own. Oh, I found a computer. I'm not gonna help anyone. Whoops! You actually. No. No. This won't take long, guys. This won't. Okay, guys. Yeah. Okay, for request. Beauty and the Beast! Okay. And thank you guys so much for watching this freaking a little bit short. Flee the facility with my friend Melody Unicorn. And bye. Say bye, my cutie. I can't wait. Let me change my clothes. See the outfit I have. Bye!